Hey, my name is Rayver.
My name is Rusty.
And we just took over a dance vlog.
And where's Daddy?
I don't know.
Give me my phone. Hi, kani mo diri. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi guys. And we're here in Bogo.
Are you trying to be
we're
Tita
feeling like we're in Cambodia. This is just a raw video. Because magpasalamat lang ko sa nagpadala pa siyang mapanos niya ni kay next week para ba ko mag-vlog para sa question and answer portion. So, guys, let's unbox things, okay?
Yes!
So first someone gave me this box. You read what's here? You read that one.
To Bernie from MTC.
MFC. Marikina Foods Corporation. Marikina Foods Corporation. Hey, what are you doing? So, open. Thank you for this, Marikina Foods Corporation. And it's
Noodles. It's pancit.
oh my God. So, your favorite is instant noodles, your favorite is pancit canton, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this time, this is an instant bihon.
Matanghon?
Yes, bihon. You read the flavor. What are the flavors?
This flavor.
Seafood gusado. Yes.
This is the original.
That's gusado ka kami.
Oriental gisado.
And oriental gustado.
Chicken gisado.
Chicken gusado.
More. Over there. Let's sort
Okay.
them out.
Then just read the ingredients. How to cook the bihon. Alright, you say. This is how to cook the bihon.
Boil 1 to 1/2 cups of water. Put bihon and cook for 3 minutes. Drain. Add oil and seasoning. Serve with hot your design toppings.
Alright, that's it. So we'll try this. Salamat kayo sa Marikina Foods Corporation. Actually, available na siya sa Gaisano, sa Rorama. I-try ninyo ni instant bihon. Promise, yummy kayo. So actually, gadto to silang mga school karon kay mag-sampling sila. This is yummy. Thank you very much. Alright, okay, that's it. Uy, naurot na.
There's so many chicken.
Yeah, and of course, someone also gave me this. One cellophane of... Come on.
Bread.
What?
Bread.
Bread, okay.
What kind of bread?
Thank you very much sa Shellos. Proud ka kay Anon. Shellos. Sliced bread. Dayon para sa mga diabetics sama na mo. Na po sila'y wheat bread. Kailang maghulat ka ba? Wheat bread.
That's mean wait. That's wait.
Basa ba? Basa nga bread. Wheat bread.
That's wet.
Oh, sorry. Wheat bread. Thank you very much.
Wheat bread is bread from
Shellos. Thank you, Shellos.
Yellows.
Saka cellophane nga kuan na pan. Then one more. Let me down. This one. What's this?
The Energy King massager.
Oh, sige, open it. Come on.
We need a knife.
Knife, where's the knife?
Key.
There is the fire.
This knife.
Kids don't do this at home. Okay.
Yeah,
Careful.
we can do this at home. You are evil.
Why do we stand?
The tape is here, oh. You can cut it there. Cut there, oh, the hole. Why you cut there?
I hate you.
I hate you too.
That's why we hate each other.
Other side.
Stupid.
Hey, be careful of the knife. Let me help you, Bin.
Hold it.
Hold this the phone like this. No. Don't cover the camera. There, that's it. Let me try this. Wala namang good no. Sige no. Okay.
Oh my.
Let's see.
What's this? Hey!
Back massager.
What?
Back massager.
Let's try this.
Let me do it first.
What's that?
Me first.
What's that, eh?
You have to
Back
charge it
mas-
first.
Sige. Where's the extension? There's the one. Okay.
Extension.
Charge ni siya, Big.
There is filled with ants in. The extension is filled with ants.
Alright. Again, thank you very much sa Hobby Express Instant Bihon. Thank you very much aning sa kakarton. And Shellos! Thank you very much, Shellos! Alright, that's it. And
Hear the sound. Just listen to the sound.
so that.
Put it in your back. It's vibrating. Go.
Sure. What? Put mo sa mga. Ay.
It's so gilak. Ako. Me. Okay.
Ah.
Wow! My God!
Pagaling. Easy massage.
To your butt.
So, we're gonna go to my